Fam, I wanted to hop on here really quick before trading starts today and show you guys how to utilize the new Metatrader update on your phones. All right, I'm pretty sure this works for MT4, but this is MT5 right here. So if it works and you updated it on your MT4, I'm pretty sure the steps are no different. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and hop into it. And we're going to start off with placing the trade. We're going to utilize this button up here. Okay. If you have not placed a trade yet on your account, I don't want you to be surprised because the first time you click it, you'll have to agree to using that one click. So it will slow you down if you're trying to, if you've already done your analysis right and you're trying to place that trade, you will be slowed down by that. So go ahead and knock that out first, that agreement, and then you'll be able to just press this button, and then this is what you would get. You'll get the option to either press over here for a sell or press over here for a buy. Now, you would also be able to just type in your lot size right there, or you can type it in right there, or you can hit this button, which is the up button for your lot size. And then instead of you having to type in your numbers, you can go by these increments of 5 here. Based on whatever number you have, it'll go 5 up to 45 and so forth, right? Which it makes it so much better for you if you want to increase your lot size very quickly. Or you can go plus 10 here, plus 1 here, or plus 0.1. And no different over here with the decrease option. You can go minus 10, minus 1, or minus 0.1 instead of typing it in. Or again, 5-minute, I'm sorry, not 5-minute increments, but 5-digit increments. You go 35, 30, so forth on down, because this is us going down opposed to going up. So bam, now I can click off of that. I showed you how to utilize this button up here. If you don't want that on your screen and it's covering too much, just go back and tap it again and it goes away. All right, so this next toggle button up here, that is where you can click it and it'll give you the option to do a sell limit. Tap it right here again. It give you a buy stop. It'll change to next a buy stop limit, and then back at sell limit. With that being said, if you choose to allow it to sit right there, that's where you want to place this trade, which you don't have to. You can just click on right here, click on it, hold it. I'm sorry, nope, it went away. That ain't how it happens. Yeah, click on it, and then you can drag it and move it wherever you want to move it, right? And with that being said, this is a great feature, guys. You can just tap the TP and it'll give you drag that as well, put it where you want it, right? Okay, and the stop loss, put it where you want it. All right, just drag it and move it, and once you get where you want that to be, press the arrow down here, so, and then just hit place if that's what you want to do. Okay, and then when you hit place, it'll actually stay there. Right now I didn't hit that, so it went away. But that is how you do that. No different than when you place the trade. All right, when you hit that place trade button and you hit buy or sell, it'll give you that same option that we just saw when we hit that right there, to be able to drag your TP wherever you want it, and then drag your stop loss wherever you want it, guys. It's so much better. And then you'll hit the arrow to take you over there to actually make it real. Okay, so bam, take that off. That is basically it. Oh, let's talk about the bottom window. So the bottom window down here, right, I have this indicator down here to give you an example. But what I'm gonna do is I'm a long hold press right here, and when I do that, you see all of this, all this white space here that pops up. Don't hit that red button, because if you hit that red button, you're gonna delete this. But if you don't, you can drag it up and down just like that. So I just want to get on here real quick, show y'all how to operate. So if you have any questions, put them in a comment. I'm also give you a 20.5% discount code for the prop firm that I utilize. So if you have any questions, again, put them in the comment section. So one love, much love, two out.